Um, I think it's a wonderful moment for the writers to have such an occasion where they would be talking about their book and allowing us to understand a lot of things what has been written down. And I can see the target audience which talks about semester 4th. So the students in the current semester would benefit. At the same time, I see that it's come at a time when the syllabus has changed. So I'm sure a lot of updations will be there in this book. I want to thank the library committee for organizing an event like this. It's a wonderful time to be here to see the success of the institution, because I believe that this kind of exhibition has happened in the past few years also on a regular basis. And this should continue more often, and I think it should happen every semester, because there are new subjects, new editions coming up, and the publishers can definitely update the institution as to what are the new authors that are there, and which demands that we need to promote those books also. We are missionary salespeople, all the teachers, because we recommend the books which are written by various authors, and the students and the institutions buy. So I'm sure the faculties who would buy the books for their personal library would get good discounts from the publishers. That's how I would look at it. And I want to also talk about certain services in the libraries which have changed, because I see when we were studying, we used to see all the wooden furnitures all around, and long libraries, well stacked books, and a stern librarian who used to only say, shh. But nowadays we don't see those librarians at all. But what has become interesting is that if student doesn't come to the library, they say that I'm going to the internet and I can, beg, borrow, steal everything and check out what is available for their subjects. So there is a change in dimension with the help of internet and the campus being Wi-Fi. But nonetheless, I think library is the living room of the institute. It's the heart of the campus. So it cannot change. And that makes an essence for us that even if there are internet facilities available, but it's important that we need to still refer the book. Even if there are videos available, I'm sure no one can replace the guru. So the gurus are going to speak today on their books, and I'm sure we will get the first-hand information about the books too. So that makes it more interesting. We have a wonderful campus here, a very peaceful campus, and I see that as a great place for learning and development. Because creating a learning environment is the sole responsibility of every institution. And we have that here. You see the chirping of birds also outside. What is important for us here is now we need to have some book reviews on a month-to-month basis. There are lots of books beyond the syllabus that are available in our library. Our students should read those books. That's important for us. I always say that 7 Habits of Highly Effective People should be read by every student before they leave the campus. And 2 years are good enough for imbibing the 7 habits. So we look at certain books written by Anthony Robbins, Brian Tracy, Phil Collins, are extremely important for us to understand and shape up our life. Let's not forget the autobiography of a yogi, write-ups of Swami Vivekananda, which we also should read. Certain philosophical texts are also available in our library. So there should be some kind of book reviews within the campus. And interested students can come and discuss those options, and I'm sure some faculties can take a lead in that. We are not going to be away from the internet and technology. So it's equally important for us to look at certain aspects of new technological aspects that have come up, like MOOCs, Moodles, which is a free space available for us, which we can use it. I've just sent a message of Blackboard yesterday to everyone. So we need to find out as to how we can access those technologies and work it out. I've been updated by the library that we have a lot of videos from the Khan Academy, which students are making use of it, and even NPTEL. We can do that. But yes, for higher and technical education, TED is a very important website, TED.com. You get a lot of fantastic videos on that. Some such videos should be screened by the library here. And students should be called up, and interested students would like to go, so there are different subjects available. So we can definitely go through TED.com and also look at it. There are certain websites like openstudy.com, which gives you answers for different questions you have on your concepts. So you are not only interacting with students of DYPMS, but you're interacting with students of different continent, different parts of the world, who are studying similar subjects. So that can work out. There is a different website which I have sent just a message yesterday on warmalpha.com, which gives a lot of information related to statistical techniques, so we can make use of that. So what we need to do is that we need to find out what are the free space available to us in certain technological revolution, which can be added as a part of our library services. And I always believe library needs to market itself. So I see some of the books which are coming up as new arrivals. But the moment the new arrival comes, it's important that some professors, some faculty, some students, they should read it, including the director, right? My friend MD operations also, everyone, the librarian also, Sandeep, everyone, office people. You can pick up any of this book and read some page, even if you read one chapter. You can announce that I would like to talk about this chapter to everyone. Whoever is available at that time, even 5 people, 10 people, 50 people, let's discuss about it. And Blink is a fantastic book which should be read by everyone actually. You know, so once we put this here, I think the library services should be enhanced further to say that pick up this book, read one chapter, and we want to do a book review. So that is a target for the library committee which I would like to give. I want to thank all the publishers for making an effort here. And I always love books. I have 600 books at home, and I have a librarian who comes once a month. All books are accessioned properly. And I never give the books, further lend the books to be taken by someone at that place. I said, sit here and read, because they don't come back. I've lost some books in the past like that, so I'm very touchy about that. And I'm sure my wife also says all the time that if Rajesh goes to crossword, leave him alone, you know, he will not come out after till 2-3 hours now. So I'm sure I'm going to spend a lot of time to see what books are available and how it can enhance the personal library which I have, and plus also the library of our institution. So please make full benefit of that. Thanks a lot. Good luck.